So we've made it to the first stop on the road. We're at Cannon Beach and it's amazing, and there's a cute little farmer's market going on, so we're gonna go check it out.
Yeah, it's pretty. We just made it to Oregon like, I don't know, 20 minutes ago or something like that.
It's been a good drive.
Let's check it out. Alright, next destination Newport for camping tonight.
So I'm pretty excited to be going to the Tillamook factory. Apparently Tillamook factory has its own ice cream here that's supposed to be really, really good.
Tanisha, we're going for ice cream. Would you say you're excited?
I'm so excited.
So you would?
Yes.
Alright, first campground. Tanisha is making sides for the instant ramen.
Shiitake mushrooms and green onions.
Because we're super fancy. We have a car lighting us because, yep. And we got a fire that's sort of kind of going for later. The tent is up. Yeah, you can see it. And that's mostly it. Oh, you're blurry. What happened to you?
I don't know.
Alright, well, we'll do a dinner and then move on to day 2, I think. Oh yeah, drink, yes. Look at this. Got some homemade lychee vodka that looks like a Halloween prop.
It's gonna be yummy.
Alright. Day 2, breakfast.
Eating
What is this?
peanut butter banana oatmeal with chia seeds, and it's amazing.
Yep.
And tea and coffee.
Where are we going next?
We're going to Brookings.
Brookings.
It's a 4-hour drive. And it'll be our last stop in Oregon. After that, we're in California.
What? Alright then.
So we're at the Sea Lion Caves, and it's I think it's supposed to be the biggest one in the US. There's an elevator that takes you down 200 feet.
Right over there.
And yeah, you can, once you're down underground, it's supposed to be a pretty massive cave, and you can see the sea lions on all the rocks from under there, and then there's a viewpoint as well. And yeah, it's good. You just walk down to the elevator and go see the sea lions.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. The cave itself is pretty cool, and the view on the cliff down there. There's a whole bunch of birds and obviously a bunch of sea lions. It's nice little trip. Day 3. Just woke up. We don't really sleep in the camping environment very much. Day 3, so maybe we shower this time. I think Tanisha is doing just that. I'm looking at the breakfast situation, and then we'll be off to California. Kicking up a notch for breakfast. Irish coffee. What? Some cream. Maple butter? What are you talking about? Yeah, delicious. And Tanisha has her
Oatmeal.
There's nothing in there. Don't judge it. Yeah, delicious. So it's Harris Beach, just next to Brookings. Just about what you'd hope for when you're doing a coastal drive, eh? Look at that. Looking sweet.
We just got into Eureka. It's actually really adorable. There's we're in the old town section of it. There's a lot of little stores, and compared to some of the towns we've been passing, this has been one of the more lively ones in the sense that there's lots of restaurants. There's even a yoga studio. But yeah, no, it's a really cute town. We're gonna have lunch here, and then we're gonna be on our way.
Look at this. I mean, look at this. We're on the way on the way to Mattole, just past Ferndale, and we see this like basically Switzerland, a little drier landscape. It's ridiculous. Like on tiny road, way over there you can see this. You can see the sea still, the ocean. Like just before there was white flowers everywhere. You can see some over here. It's pretty cool. But otherwise, yeah, it's just super pretty and very like countryside-y. There's a bunch of cows over there. Just a little bit more of this because come on, look at that. Look at that. So pretty. It is so pretty. We're getting to the ocean too. There's like 3 people driving on this road too. It's super peaceful, super nice, super quiet. Favorite spot so far, honestly. Look in front. Ugh.
Dude. Unreal.
Alright, here we go. Camping grounds. Camping ground is just amazing, isn't it?
I think this is one of the best camping grounds we've had this entire trip. It's absolutely beautiful. First come, first serve, and I think we got the last spot.
We might have. It is on the ass end of nowhere, and we are 50 miles away from running out of gas, and we might be more than 50 miles away from gas.
I think we're gonna have to use our neighbor for help, siphon some gas. With their permission.
Yeah, we'll see. With their permission. Yeah, we're gonna see how far we are and if we need some extra gas from our friends next door. And then we're gonna explore a little bit because it looks pretty sweet over there. We can hear the sea. We can hear the ocean. All right. We put an extra gallon in there that was graciously offered to us with the funnel that was in the car. We kind of worked on a different funnel using red cups. Don't do that. See? This. It was sitting on the table waiting to be used.
30 seconds.
This is a bit of plastic melted. Yeah, gasoline. Pretty good at destroying tiny shitty plastic. The more you know. Here's right outside of the camping ground. It's gonna be a nice sunset. Yeah, you can see like some of the houses over there, just over here. Yeah, it's like it's one of the nicest beach I've seen in a while. We camping on it. pro tip: when you go camping, you have some fancy, something nice, just something extra, so that you can still feel like you have a luxury time. How'd you feel about this? Just make a face. Yeah, those are pretty amazing. Our friends brought them back from Vancouver, and we're gonna have some pretty amazing dessert with those. This over here, you see it fucking everywhere. Those are needles from some plants that are around here. Check them out. Do you see them? Just little needles like that. Look at how they stab. I was running barefoot earlier. Bad idea. Does not feel good. They're very stabby. Look at that. They're just like all of them. They're packed onto stabbing the rubber like that. And it's pretty painful actually. It's fun stuff. Other than that, we're about ready to go. We're in the town of Petrolia. I don't know. My guess is this is because the last spot to make petrol around here, but I haven't asked. This is the one general store that has the gas, and there's even a tiny little church and a school over there, so I guess a bunch of people live here. On our way from our little town, Petrolia, to Fort Bragg, this is the road that GPS tells us to take. Not a road anymore. It's completely condemned here. You can see the road goes to a bunch of rocks, and now we're gonna do something else. It's not gonna be this way. So, made it to a last camping spot. It's kind of quirky, but it's cool. Clearlake is the town. And yeah, we changed our plans, so tomorrow we're going to Sacramento, so that's the last camping spot. This is Anderson Marsh, like a state-owned marsh. We're gonna have a look. It looks like a vast spread of, not a lot, but it's pretty. I like it. Let's walk into it. We're not sure exactly what this park is about. There's a trail over there. We're gonna look into that tiny barn. Oh, well, maybe we're not. It's walled off. Yeah, I guess. Walk around the marsh.
He's gonna jump.
That's it. We're set up. We have chips, beers, salsa, books. The lake is here. It hasn't moved. Tanisha is trying to put chips in her mouth, and fire is ready to, well, will be ready to go very soon. Just gonna relax for a second. Look at this. Look at this setup. Isn't that just about perfect?
It's perfect.
Everything is premium. Some people are fishing over there. Can you believe it?
There's a lot of fish in this lake, actually.
There's not even mosquitoes yet.
Though
it's amazing.
Though it's advised not to eat the fish.
Right, apparently, here's the tent. Apparently the
mercury level
in this lake is off the chart. So, here we go. We won't eat any fish. And I think that's it for the last night of camping. That's it for today. We're done. We're back in San Francisco. We're in Taqueria, Cancun, basically our favorite taqueria in San Francisco. What's your highlights? Tell us about your trip.
It was the best road trip ever. I'm so excited about the whole experience. My favorite part was camping at Mattole Beach. It was amazing.
Yeah, this one was a very good one.
We got to break and see some friends along the way too, and now we're back. We're back, and I keep feeling like I can't believe I left.
Yeah, yeah, I kind of was
It's
feeling the same way as well.
It feels good to be back. It's awesome. What about you? Let's ask.
When we came back to California, the landscape and the camping spot we had over there was amazing. And then ever since we were here, same story. Like we visited friends in Sacramento, that was very nice, and then now we're here and it feels amazing. It's good to be back.
It's good to be back.